The hidden truth about success, the iceberg illusion. When you think of a successful entrepreneur, what do you see? Perhaps you picture someone with a thriving business, financial freedom, or even a global brand that's a household name. Maybe they've achieved the lifestyle you dream of, luxury homes, exciting travel, and the freedom to live life on their terms. It's inspiring, right? But at the same time, it can stir up feelings of envy or frustration. You want that level of success too. You think, how can I get there? The truth is, you're only seeing the tip of the iceberg. Let me explain. The iceberg illusion, what you see versus what you don't. Picture an iceberg floating in the ocean. You see the top part glistening above the waterline, a visual marvel. But what's below the surface? A massive hidden structure that actually supports everything above. Success is no different. When you admire an entrepreneur's achievements, you're seeing the visible results, the profitable business, the accolades, the lifestyle. But what you're not seeing is the unseen foundation, years of persistence, sleepless nights, failed experiments, and unwavering commitment. What lies beneath the surface? Let's break this down. Here's what's hiding beneath the surface of success. 1. Failures and setbacks. Most successful entrepreneurs fail multiple times before they hit gold. Take Elon Musk, for instance. Before Tesla and SpaceX became global leaders, his early ventures faced countless obstacles, including near bankruptcy. 2. Hard work and sacrifice. Success demands relentless effort. For many, it means sacrificing time with loved ones, hobbies, or comfort zones. Look at Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She spent years juggling her full-time job and working on her idea in the evenings before Spanx became a billion-dollar brand. 3. Continuous learning. The most successful people are perpetual learners. They don't stop investing in their skills and knowledge. Warren Buffett famously spends 80% of his day reading and learning to stay ahead. 4. Discipline and consistency. Building a business requires showing up every day, even when results aren't immediate. Jeff Bezos started Amazon from his garage, packing books by hand. It took years before it became the e-commerce giant we know today. Why people focus on the top of the iceberg. It's human nature to focus on results. When you see someone's success, you're naturally drawn to their achievements. But here's the catch. That focus on the outcome can be misleading. Think about it. Would you scroll through Instagram and stop at a post showing an entrepreneur's struggle, like long nights or failed prototypes? Probably not. But those unseen efforts are what paved the way to their highlight reel. What entrepreneurs need to do instead. So how can you apply this to your own entrepreneurial journey? 1. Embrace the process. Focus on building your foundation rather than obsessing over quick results. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving business. Progress, no matter how small, is still progress. 2. Learn from failure. Don't fear mistakes. They're a natural part of the journey. Every setback brings lessons that bring you closer to success. Consider Thomas Edison. He tested thousands of materials before inventing the light bulb. Each failure was a stepping stone. 3. Set realistic goals. Success isn't achieved overnight. Break your big goals into smaller, actionable steps and celebrate those milestones along the way. For example, instead of aiming to grow your business by 1 million customers this year, focus on reaching your first 10,000 loyal ones. 4. Invest in yourself. Knowledge is the ultimate competitive advantage. Whether it's reading books, attending workshops, or learning from mentors, always strive to improve. Entrepreneurs like Oprah Winfrey and Richard Branson credit much of their success to surrounding themselves with smarter people and being lifelong learners. Reframing how you define success. Here's something to remember. Success isn't just about reaching the top of the iceberg. It's about mastering what's beneath the surface. If you find yourself idolizing someone else's achievements, pause and ask yourself, are you willing to put in the effort, endure the setbacks, and work through the process they did? Are you building a solid foundation, or are you just craving quick results? The truth is, success rewards those who are patient, persistent, and unafraid of the hard work that comes with it. The final takeaway. Next time you're admiring someone's accomplishments, remind yourself of the iceberg illusion. While the results may be dazzling, they're just the visible part of a much larger story. As an entrepreneur, your job is to dive beneath the surface, embrace the process, and commit to building your own foundation. Remember, the top of the iceberg will appear, but only when the foundation is strong enough to support it. Keep learning, keep building, and success will follow.